Today I'm gonna show you how you can compress your videos without losing any quality using Videoproc Converter AI. Some information about Videoproc Converter. Videoproc Converter AI isn't just a video compressor, it's your all-in-one media toolbox. Whether you're upscaling videos to 4K, enhancing images to 4K or 8K, or optimizing file sizes without sacrificing results, Videoproc delivers. You can upscale blurry videos up to 4K with AI, and you can also enhance images to 8K. You can convert formats, edit clips, and more. But today we're gonna focus on its powerful compressor, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in this video. But remember, if your footage is low quality, make sure to use the AI enhancer first. So let's dive into the video. Here I'm at the starting screen of Videoproc Converter AI, and what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna transform my video to 4K. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Video Converter, and here I'm gonna import my video. Let me drag my video here, and the only thing I'm gonna do to this video is I'm gonna go to the settings here, and I will change the resolution to 4K. Let's click on Expand Video. Click on Done, and here we see the resolution. We have a 4K video. And now let's just run this and see the result. And look at the difference in file size, and the quality is the same. So that's everything you have to do. You just run it. Let me show you the file sizes here. This was the original video, and this is the one we just created. If you want to have top quality videos and small sizes, make sure to use HEVC. These are great to share online because you're not going to lose any quality and the size will be small. You can see we use HEVC here. When I click this one, here we have HEVC. In the target format down here, you can also see we have MP4 HEVC here. So make sure you select that one if you want to have the best possible quality with the smallest file size. Now, before you go, don't forget Videoproc's AI magic. So you can basically transform low-res videos and images to 4K and 8K. Combine this with compression, editing, and conversion tools for flawless media every time. Now let's go to Image AI, and I'm gonna import an image here. Let's import this image. I'm gonna zoom in here so we can see this better. On the left side is the before, and on the right side is the after, and look at the results. Look how great that looks. All that noise is gone. And we can also do images inside this tool. On the right side, you also have some settings, so you could upscale this to 4K. Check the link in the description and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and catch you on the next one.